What's up, guys? Cal here, the e-commerce bartender, and today we're going to be talking about how to create your first to-do list when it comes to your Amazon FBA process. If you didn't watch the previous video, we talked about tools to use to get you through the Amazon FBA process. To-do list was one of them. I know it sounds cheesy, but this is what you need to do right now. The following to-do list is something that I kind of did right in the beginning, and it really helped me out. Remember, guys, when you are doing this, you need to try and take out the little small ones to give you a little bit more confidence to take out the big tasks on this to-do list. The first thing on the list is start thinking about names you want to call your business. I would try to keep it kind of short and not too lengthy. I would also check to see if that business name is already taken, because if you file under the same business name as someone else, it's not going to get approved. The second thing on the list is creating an LLC or S Corp. When I did this process, I went to an account because I didn't want to mess anything up. And I also was thinking about other things that I wanted to move fast. So I outsourced it because I had the funds and I was able to. There's also a cheaper way to do it on an online website that you could find on Google if you search it. On the next video, I'll be showing you some websites where you can create your own LLC at a cheaper, reduced price. Up next on the to-do list is that once you get approved for your S Corp and or LLC, you need to go to the bank to start your business banking up. This should be a pretty painless operation because it only will take about 45 minutes. The fourth bullet point on this list is starting to create some of the accounts we talked about in the tools before. You might as well get this out of the way when things are kind of slow. The first one I want to talk about is Helium 10 software. I have a promo code linked below that you can get 50% off your first month. Like I said before, you're going to need this software. Next, obviously, is the Pro Amazon Seller account. I will be going over in the next video on how to create your own Amazon Seller account. The last 5 on the list, Alibaba, Canva, Fiverr, Kima, and a Gmail account, should be pretty easy to sign up for since it's free. I would also recommend starting to write down a lot of these passcodes because you're going to have a lot of different passcodes and usernames when you go through this process. Finally, you need to start watching some product research techniques just so you can get ahead of the game. At this point, I will not have any posted yet, but there's plenty of out there. Go ahead and search and start looking for YouTubers that you think you can follow that will help you through this Amazon FBA process. I'm not the only one out there. All right, guys, that's the end of the video. So start knocking out all these different bullet points and get on top of it. Remember, I am still offering the $1 for 45-minute consulting calls. And I'm just going to say you only get 2 calls per month. If you do more than that, I'm just going to cancel you out. You guys have a great day and get ready for the next video tomorrow.